Baba, have you been told at the Frontier party necessary as majority leader then? Or my cartel? Do you know why you were changed?
I know. It was told me by the president at the time.
Okay.
But
why in the public?
Osei.
Like the reason one fan to that.
Oh, say of free MPs no name ministers no.
Yes.
Or them na amo a share.
Yes.
Sadino.
Okay.
Na asem bobo bano. MPs no be about over 80 of them. That means number 137. About 80 of them had appended their signatures. So what to say asimsi neighbor. And I should assure them say I will hold and they will support me. Na me call ya present a fraying and all the two anymore no. Na even them who crampo no ministers no be a bit here me now so say I want to say na papa no beka na president yamai na mamintie they are going to support me. Now I should hold on as the majority
leader.
Now me down some of them sent messages to me. Me called them hona President Bekasa here no. I know kaso ade na oye no nye ono oni party no eneye. Na me match no against the MPs no ya. Na here get the big implosion beba party. Oh, and here on the spur of the moment, I decided to say no, I've had enough. Let me step aside. The president Kasa Danukwana me take it down notes. The way no ma general secretary. So when the general secretary come home or take decision. No friends of Mekasa. So I picking down a few notes. We no be some said we become. The so na Mekasa my resign.
You said it there and there.
I said it there and there. So I didn't want to be the eye of any storm in the party. I'm quoting myself. Until I'm resigning. And then why did and those of them no more MPs no felt disappointed them and so on. And so when they heard, they all said the same thing. But I think I took
on my reasoning to on the party na take his decision. Say watch Addo and now so feel say
oh they
from an answer then.
And not the meet me I can say.
Yes.
They were Kyei and say some na and this for now a President Mahama no more yin so beda
yes.
Na onyi ni running mate. But senna AC Coronier ni so be fa Vice President ene Professor
Jena
Najmai.
Yes.
Intino President Frey na sem no nam say ne pono no. So Central Region no say ya ho den kofom. E wo ho. Na in visibility e wo ho. The minority leaders am na to.
Yeah.
What take over from Haruna.
Yes.
And they were expecting to have the vice presidential candidate from the same region.
Sure.
And Waka say we need to have some visibility there. And intina omujidi say from Central Region. That was Asemno. So yemra mu say no kura. You standing out there say no. The minority leader or the majority leader is a person chosen by the party people in parliament. And your party outside.
Yes.
So intina okasa wo twetwe a akofansa baba.
I didn't send baby.
Intina me yes no, amenyai. What you say?
But the reason makes sense to you. Say party na ho ordaining the visibility from my opponent afa minority leader or mafa or mo ba be fa running mate. That should be a good reason, Anna.
Well, me say
it didn't make sense to you.
No, dear, Mr. Me person make an wasn't. My crew enjoy me.
But you were not happy with the decision.
Oh, especially Sana AC Concept. Man, here and I'm so crying my confusion about
party. Yeah.
Fancy the situation. Senka, man, step aside. And ne, ye didn't go. Ne, and go no so, and ye light in Kugu.
Yeah.
na said ya meko kan baby am say yes we be cry ko to me yes station be ko to me me say oh ye nkugo ni we de na ye finfram pa ma yes sitrom ye ni mani ha ne na we say we de yes e chance sitrom ye nsa enti oh say me fa na say nka twuma me ntwimi bai na nkugo ya be ya ti Mensah Bonsu refuse to resign na nkrofo di mechi na hey nka nkugo e bai nka okra nka me kra ye be site me say me kan ho bi
and a party
didn't go. And then, na menka. What you say? The share situation and I'm saying, and as to whether it made sense or not, no. Let me leave it to posterity.
To posterity. Yes. Wow.
And then no, as a focus no come before. Yeah, parliament. Say no, be parliament. Yeah, primaries.
Yes.
Ibia, your case can be the man.
Omo no sure.
Ebi abehwe na aye aduane bi esi wo se obi fi baby ne ba enti yeto ba ne wi ye nyina nkoto nsanidi enei saade no asesa ama ko yesi kasem bebre so honte na meka se bia ye mu bi se ne nema no ho anka ya ama enti ama ene nipa do no mo ba parliament no omo so adua ko sisi kasem so ye kana kura kire yan wasa ne tie yes. And me, there be a make say, ye pese a cabi me cabi no quenimua. Political parties no. Omo share more constitutions ni ye. May I share quampa be fast word amani pa back parliament.
Okay.
Because many I didn't hear no. Then you know, to say, and ne so who she will be a ye a quamfin baby na wo here a ye the best or de mawo. Wo here and sound de mawo. Obi Mensah fu obi so ma rusiche can it go for yes rusiche ye ma whiskey obi ma cognac
yes
owia odi bomade atoso sani mano ne nipa bebre ehwede to aba anye nipa no sebe ne nimdia wo
ene opepa
wo ene yehwe na obi otu aba masa nipa no me kan da bia say nipa mba parliament no omunye asobofo is the party a winning or bokabe 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, and not the by parliament. The party winning. Now, who come on the baby?
The focus near
absolutely. Nanya canon go no here. We are some people go for the next battles ahead. No, the biana I quite sikasem among for be crap parliament on because also ebia when your position be when you know obeko ministries ofi ha osin ha se na so benya bibie o de ateneka na wasan aboabo no ho for abai besa trofo ti de bia na isikasem na drive yin nti media bia meka na sometimes we can hear man for say oh Kyei Mensah Bonsu na be majority leader na be minority leader fisa me started cancer as we can oh because you protect MPs no nti no yes hwe NDC for amohi
yes
dodo no eye omo ya serve be 2 3 4 terms MPP for mo abey more than one half ya foforo
fresh entrant
parliament adwuma no enye afiba ko na edition enye one term nye mfie 9 po na edition what you say you need at least be 2 terms woman ni muatimi apagye yie what you say nti media na ha me ne say obi ababa ko na at the time yeso ani nkwa na nkofo wona chi e pese ekutu no say yes sir and what to grow the parties in parliament and what to grow parliament ni nyina as an institution and then why you can mami nka bi and why you can mami nka bi me wo hoyi minua sene oni mi no sene make menye emranim ni but parliament ye yemra Kyei Mensah Bonsu ne die animu ana me so ehuna na menye nti ye kwabonten a ye ko outside Ghana na ye wo ekwo bi efe no Interparliamentary Union a World Assembly of Parliament ye ko ho no edipa mienu pe Ghana's parliament ene yetimi akoye committee chairman or IPU. It is the current speaker Backbin or call one term on the part of Africa. And I messaged me call after back bay, I think 2 years after or so. And I messaged me call
Okay.
Now me, any the only person IPU committee from Ghana, I must serve 2 terms. Because I'm not a product of yesterday. Your Commonwealth Parliamentary Association. Na a PCS constitution.
Okay.
The whole of Commonwealth countries know. Kyei Mensah Bonsu na ye from Africa, so only the Africa group on the Fanko yes adiano. And I'm saying na a far Africa huntino. You call international forum no. Like I said, me leading not only Africa, but also CP and say be yes answers na. What I say? Na enti ni nyina no ye so be fa ho serious. Na afi so na making me chair me nyesu hu. Ti na me ni parties no da bia no mo ka say ya nhwe say at least just be any pakro no be ba no we so poor say we no be enyi.
But you were not happy with the decision.
Oh, especially say na AC kono say man hwe ya and I'm so crime confusion about
party yeah.
Fancy the situation. Senka must step aside. Ena enne ye di nkugu yi na nkugu no so enye light nkugu.
Yeah.
Na say na me kokan baby am say yes we be cry kutumi yes station be kutumi. Me say oh ye nkugu no we dey na ye finfinam pa ma yes citromi no mani ha ne na we say we dey yes e chance citromi ensa enti oh say me fa na say nka ye twuma me ntwimi bai na nkugu ya be ya Kyei Mensah Bonsu refused to resign. Na nkrofo di mechi na hey nka nkugu e ba ya nka okra nka me kra be site me say me ka ho bi
and a party
di nkugu ene na me nka ho what you say the share situation and I'm saying me ntweme ho nti as to whether it made sense or not no let me leave it to posterity
yes. Wow.